If you are not sure if the JDK is installed on your system, or if you want to check which version is currently installed, this tutorial will show you how to do so. Guys, please share the video on all your social media platforms, especially to those interested in Kotlin programming. Now, there are a few different ways to check for the JDK on your Windows PC. Here are a few methods you can try. First method is to check the program files folder. One way to check for the JDK is to look for it in the program files folder on your system. Okay, now let me go to the program files folder. To get there, you click on C drive, double click, and then here you are presented with two program files folders. The second one, which I'm highlighting now, is for the Windows 32-bit system, and the first one, which I'm highlighting now, is for the Windows 64-bit system. Now, since this tutorial is only for Windows 64-bit PCs, therefore I'll be clicking on the first one. I'll be double clicking. Double click. Now, on a default installation, the JDK is usually located in the program files/Java folder, which would be this folder. This is the Java folder, which is under the program files folder. Then I'm going to double click on it. Now in the Java folder, if you see a folder with a name like JDK 1.8.0 underscore and then some numbers, then the JDK is installed on your system. As you can see here, I've highlighted the JDK folder, which shows that Java is installed on the system. Okay, now let us move on to the next method that one can use to check whether the Java development system is on your PC, right? So next I'll be going to, guys, another way to check if the Java JDK is installed on your system is to use the command prompt, right? Now to do this, you're going to look for the command prompt by clicking here by search bar and then typing in CMD. It will show, and then after that, you press enter. Okay, and then there's the command prompt appears. And then you type the word Java and then hit the spacebar button to leave a space. Then you type, and then you hit, and then you type dash. Then you type the word version. If the JDK is installed, you should see a message displaying the version number. Guys, here's the version number. I do have JDK installed. Here's the version number here. Okay. Then, so these are just a few methods you can use to check whether JDK is installed on your PC. If you're not sure, or if you want to check which version is currently installed, you can give these methods a try. Guys, thanks for watching, and please help the channel grow by doing the following. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below indicating as to which one of the above methods helped you to install the Java JDK.